Alright, so if you want to get rid of WordPress, you need to log into your Bluehost portal. Go to your My Sites tab. Awesome. So it's not loading. I've had this bug before. Another reason I don't like this framework, but I can show you how to get through that if you're having the same issue. For some reason, if you just click through some other settings first, it won't get stuck. There it goes. And down here, delete site. Back it up if you think you might want this stuff back. So this was before, and pretty quickly, if we do a hard refresh, Command-Shift-R, should be gone. And then no sites listed here, so that's good. Next thing you want to do is go over to your file manager. Oh, there you go. Should be something like that. Then go down to File Manager under Advanced. It's actually right here too. Okay, so the public HTML folder is the one we're concerned with for like a static site. I have multi-domain hosting, so you can see my 3 domains under here. The one we're messing around with is this one right here. So if you go into that folder, you can see what's left after WordPress uninstalled itself. You may not have an images folder. I cannot quite remember what it looks like from the start, but everything else is likely there. Next thing we want to do is go grab a template if you don't have one. Otherwise, if you already have your index.html, you can just go ahead and drop it in here. Bootstrap website templates. These are pretty good too. Sure. This looks fine. Perfect. Okay. All right, we'll do upload. Try to get all these. No, it's going to make me do one at a time. Oh, it's not going to let me do folders. Okay. So let's drop the zip page in there. Zip file, excuse me. All right, and then we should be able to extract this here. And then reload. Hopefully there's some more stuff. It looks like it put it in a subfolder. Great. Okay. Select all. And then, okay, so I hit the move button, and then I'm going to just drop this folder name off there. One level. There, that looks better. Now we got index.html. So hopefully I'll find it. Did not. I'm going to try hard reload. Command-Shift-R on my Mac. Still nothing. So I think I get to demo that issue where it's not finding index.html. I'm going to go directly into editing this. This is not necessary anymore. Get rid of that just in case it's causing any problems. And then these were used for a different type of routing for my custom little framework I made, so let's get rid of those. Oh, this one's commented out. So I'm going to comment that out. Let's definitely uncomment that. Now it should look for that file. Save changes. Load. There we go. And hopefully, yeah, everything's working. So that's all you need right there. Get to see some troubleshooting. It's a stupid issue, but I may or may not leave that in there just so you can, see what it's like. But anyways, go ahead and start hacking. Have fun.